Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everybody. Today we will have a sun. As you can see outside, which is they have a car outside parking. To those people doing have a basketball, playing a basketball there in the court. And yeah, and I just finished waving outside. You know, life we're alone without help here. So I have to do lots of things here. And it's very beautiful day today, and of course, just like me. Peace. So yep. Okay guys, so let's go have the hot chocolate. This is came from US, the Swiss Miss with marshmallow. So let's enjoy. Now I like this is I compare here the Swiss Miss that we have here in the store. Whereby it's different. It's different ingredients. It's different taste. And this one is the from the US that compare here is different. And here this one from the US is more different texture and is more delicious than that we have here. I'm not criticizing what we have here, but just saying that is different. So yeah, that's the differences. The product from Philippines between the US, between Philippines and US. So let's enjoy this one before I start to do rock and roll things here in the house. Delicious. Hot. So guys, we're going to have a breakfast. We're not much to what's this? We're not much to have to eat, just us three of us here. So I just no. I have to open the flex and tuna, the century tuna, and what we have for breakfast. So we have to open it, and right, and it's ready to. So here's the tuna and my son. And then I just have to add some to the side here, and that's it. Hawaji, turn off ang light doon sa toilet. Dan, nahaw na. Dan. So let's eat. Di na.
Popcorn.
Hmm?
This one, please, a popcorn.
Later na, after breakfast. Popcorn, it's too early. So, dali na. Let's eat na, come on. Come on. Dali ah. So, this is what we have for breakfast, guys. Easy. Tell me again.
That's really
Mama.
big, Mama. I love you. This in grown. This can outside the big drone in a kitchen in outside lang big drone.
Oh, so are you excited to try that drone?
Yes,
Mm.
can flying that. It's really good big drone. It's really go in a drone.
Go in the drone? So
Yes.
you're excited to fly that?
Yes, that's accent of flying is the rather the small drone. This one does can going in a planes. Is the
So we have to try it later to fly that?
yes. Tomorrow, tonight too.
And tonight. Not tonight because it's dark. Tomorrow morning maybe.
Tomorrow.
Mhm.
Here's morning that.
Tomorrow morning. No, not morning. It's afternoon. You have class this afternoon. Okay?
Yeah, this drone the remote still.
Mm.
They have remotes, mama.
Yeah, they have remotes.
The,
So he's talking about
they
that
save
he's
the remotes, mama.
really excited about the drone, the like mini drone that sent me from the US. So I haven't opened yet and I haven't tried yet because of I have to look the location that I can
Yeah.
try.
Turn off.
So yep, we'll have to say that next time, next day, maybe tomorrow.
See,
And he's very eager to say the drone.
ma. See, turn off like this in a drone inside the box.
I know it's inside the box, but we have to plan the time that we have to try that in the first time. Okay?
Ma, can hold mama.
Mm-hmm.
Can hold the box.
Mm-hmm.
Can hold the drone.
No, we can hold, and we have to make a time to play that drone. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you excited to say the flying drone?
Yeah.
Mm.
The drone. This one of the same the drone.
The same the drone.
It's big the small drones.
Big and small drone.
Yeah.
Okay?
This the same the small the big the drones.
Mm-hmm.
This is the same the this one into in a drones. The same the drones then.
Mm-hmm.
The same the drone.
Two drone, but is the mini drone. This one, it's for Manong BG. It's just tiny. It's very tiny.
Ma,
Mm.
it's very size the drone.
Not like that big.
This
it's
one?
Yeah, it's something smaller than that.
How?
Mm.
Not the way silver fan. How about small drone? That's BG in a later tonight.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's morning today in a BG drone.
Okay, so let's see. Bye bye. See you guys
Bye-bye.
later.
See you guys later.
Have a great day.
It's great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day in a drone. Bye bye.
Ano?